I had a conversation with my dad, and he told me, you know what, he would love to start a business. Right now, my dad has been in business for years, since I was a little boy. Right, so I told him, you know what, I can help you. I can set up your website. I can put your products on your own website. Right, and he looked at me and he was amazed. And I told him, you know what, you can start multiple businesses. Do not limit yourself thinking, you know what, you can only start one business. I looked at him, I told him, start a business, start another business, start a business within that business so that you can earn and develop multiple streams of income. He looked at him, he was like, wow, what strange, teachings is this? Why we do not discuss these kinds of things with our parents, especially with our family members. You ought to teach your parents, your kids, your relatives, you know what, do not limit yourself in your thinking, you know what, you can only build one business. No, build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 businesses. Build a business within a business. But make sure when you are building businesses, your business does not consume a lot of your time. Why? Your time is imperative. Your time is valuable.